Hello, kids! In today's video, we are going to draw and color Pocoyo dressed as a fireman. If you also like Pocoyo, click like and subscribe to the channel. Let's draw his face. He is wearing a fireman's hat. Now let's draw his clothes. He is holding a radio. Check it out! Now we are going to draw Pocoyo holding a jet of water. This jet of water helps to put out a fire. Let's color our drawing with the coolest colors. I love using all the colors and making the drawing very colorful. Our drawing is looking beautiful. How many colors? Wow! Good job! Click like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.